So welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing this look that you guys see right here with the new Dose of Colors and iluvsarahii collection. So if you guys want to see how I create this look, then keep I showed you, I'm taking my Morphe brush. This is the M441 and I'm going to take this color right here. This is Loungy and that's going to be our transition color. So I did this eye off camera so we can speed up a little bit. The next color that I'm going to be taking is this one right here. This color right here. And I switch to this brush. This is the M433 and that's gonna be our second color. Once it looks like this, you're ready to move on to the third color, which will be Palma right here. So let's do that. Okay guys, so we already have the two colors and now we're going to take this beautiful color Palma with this type of brush that looks like this. I'm keeping it little. This is the M421 and we're gonna apply this color right now. And I'm using it just like that. I'm starting off little by little. Ooh, you see that? I should have applied concealer to cut it, but whatever. I already started. With the two eyes, this is how it looks. And now taking the same palette, we're going to take this color right here, this one, and it's called Poquito Más, and we're gonna apply it as our inner corner highlight. under, we're going to take this color right here first, and then we're going to deepen it with this color, and then we're done. This is just a Anastasia brush that I like to use. Okay, so this is how it should look. I'm loving it. So now we're going to move to highlight. So let's do that. Okay guys, so now we're going to move to highlight, and I'm using a fan brush for this. Just like that. So it looks. So now we're going to be applying this color, the liquid lipstick, in Nude Chica right here. Well, let me get a lip. And now I'm sweating because I don't have my AC on, so yeah. Look at this packaging again. I'm taking Nude Chica. It is a little bit light for me, so I'm gonna go in with a different lip liner, a light change. So just letting that dry. I'm just gonna darken it a little bit, but it's perfect because I feel like we have too much going on the eyes. That is good. Really nice. Oh, I need to apply some mascara. I'm gonna apply that, and then I'm gonna come and I think this is the finished look. I'm gonna come back and talk about a little bit about the products. And okay guys, I'm super happy that we're done with this look right here. I was melting through the whole video because I had to turn off my AC, because if not, you guys were going to be able to hear it in the background. So I was melting for you guys. So I hope that you guys loved this video as much as I did. I had so much fun filming this look. Again, I apply a little bit of brillo in the like just right here. This is the one. I apply a little bit right there, and it looks beautiful. Before I end this video, I just want to say thank you guys for everybody that watched my videos. I want to say thank you and welcome to my new subscribers. I see you guys subscribing to my channel. It means the world to me, and I'm super happy. And I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I see you guys in the next one. Bye.